If we needed any more reasons to save the whales, it turns out their poo is extremely important for fighting climate change. Whale poo acts as a fertilizer for tiny plants or algae called phytoplankton, which are estimated to capture up to 40% of all CO2 released, whilst also producing half of the oxygen we breathe. And the reason whales in particular are so important for phytoplankton is that they dive down to the deep seas in search of iron-rich food like squid and octopus, and when they come back up to the surface, they release around 90% of the iron they've ingested in nutrient-rich clouds like big crop dusters, supercharging phytoplankton growth. And as the plants grow, they take CO2 out of the atmosphere through photosynthesis, store it as biomass, and if they aren't eaten, they'll eventually sink down to the deep seabed where that carbon will be stored for literally thousands of years. In the Southern Ocean, where whales are one of the primary sources of iron, the poop from the 12,000 sperm whales living there is expected to help remove around 200,000 tons of carbon, which is the equivalent of getting 70,000 cars off the road. And according to the IMF, if all whale species were allowed to recover to pre-whaling numbers, they'll be